Well, we have seen a time in history when a telescope that was designed to answer one of the biggest questions of our universe actually turned out to be one of the biggest embarrassments for NASA. And that telescope was none other than the Hubble Space Telescope. The whole purpose behind building Hubble was simple but revolutionary: to escape Earth's atmosphere. You see, no matter how advanced telescopes on Earth were, they could never give a perfectly clear image. The air above us bends and distorts light, so every photo of the stars came out slightly blurred. NASA's solution? Put the telescope in space itself, where there's no air to interfere, just pure, undisturbed starlight. It sounded brilliant, but brilliance costs money. A lot of it. By the time Hubble was ready for launch, it had already cost around $1.5 billion, and the entire world was watching. Finally, in 1990, aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery, Hubble was launched into orbit. NASA called it the Eye of Humanity, but soon that eye started seeing things wrong. When the first images came in, scientists were shocked. They were blurry, completely out of focus. The telescope that was supposed to revolutionize astronomy had failed to even take a clear photo. After weeks of testing, the truth came out. The main mirror, the most crucial part of the telescope, had been ground to the wrong shape. The error? Just 2 microns. That's smaller than a single strand of hair, yet it was enough to ruin the most expensive telescope ever built. The media tore NASA apart. Headlines called it a billion-dollar blunder. Public trust collapsed. Congress questioned NASA's future. For many inside the agency, it felt like the end. But NASA didn't give up. They planned a repair mission, a risky one. In 1993, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour installed a corrective system called COSTA, which basically acted like glasses for Hubble. And when they turned it back on, the universe came into focus. The blurry stars transformed into galaxies, nebulae, and deep cosmic fields that left everyone speechless. The same telescope that had humiliated NASA became one of the greatest scientific instruments in human history. Hubble ended up not just fixing NASA's image, but reshaping our entire understanding of the cosmos. It's crazy to think, a project that almost destroyed NASA ended up saving it.